Overwhelmed by math symbols and theorems? Effective note-taking and active listening are crucial to help. In this video, we'll discover strategies to transform math lectures into clear understanding, capturing key concepts and connections. Tip number 1, prepare before class. Review upcoming topics. Before each class, engage with the material by skimming the textbook or readings to learn key terms and concepts, and try working through problems using the theories or formulas discussed. Outline key concepts. As you skim the text, create an outline of important points and questions to guide you during the lecture. Review previous material. Spend a few minutes reviewing past notes to refresh your memory and enhance understanding of new concepts. Prepare questions. Based on your review, prepare a few questions to ask during class to enhance engagement and clarify uncertainties. Tip number 2, develop a note-taking system. Use a structured format. Organizing your notes using a structured system like the Cornell note-taking system can significantly enhance their utility. This method divides your paper into 3 sections. Cues. On the left-hand side, jot down main ideas or questions that correspond to the notes. This column is for cues or potential test questions you might revise later. Notes. The large right-hand section is for traditional note-taking during class. Write down detailed notes, important formulas, and explanations here. Summary. At the bottom of each page, summarize the main points of the lecture. This helps reinforce what you've learned and provides a quick reference when reviewing for exams. Incorporate visual aids. Mathematics often involves diagrams, graphs, and charts. When those are used or referenced in the lecture, sketch them in your notes along with an explanation of what they represent. Visual aids can be crucial for understanding and remembering concepts. Include examples and problems. Ensure that you write down the problem statement. Record each example problem clearly and accurately. Note the solution steps. Write step-by-step solutions noting special techniques. Copy everything from the board and mark unclear steps to ask about later. Explain the rationale. Beside each step or cues column, write explanations or reasons for why certain steps are taken. This is especially helpful for complex processes you may need to review later on. Highlight definitions and formulas. Math classes often involve specific terminology and formulas. Use a distinct color or a special section in your notes. This makes it easier to find definitions and formulas when you're reviewing your notes later. You can also have a separate color or page for technology steps. Create a separate formula sheet as part of your notes, which can be a quick reference guide for exams. Quizlet is a great app that you can use to create digital flashcards of any new definitions or formulas learned in class. You can study them on the go. Tip number 3, practice active listening. Active listening is key to succeeding in math classes where concepts can be intricate and demand a high level of concentration. Here are strategies to enhance your active listening skills. Engage with the material. Instead of just taking notes, try to understand the principles and logic during the lecture. Listen for the reasons behind the math methods and connect them to what you already know. This deeper engagement will help you understand and remember the material better. Ask questions. If something isn't clear, don't hesitate to ask. If you're not comfortable asking during class, talk to the professor afterwards. No question is too small, and clearing up doubts right away helps prevent misunderstandings. Participate in discussions. Get involved in class or separate sessions. Participating helps you understand better and see different perspectives. Choose your seat wisely. Sit where you can focus best. Avoid sitting near friends or classroom windows if they tend to be distractions. Most students find that sitting up front can help them stay more engaged with the instructor and with the board. Tip number 4, use technology wisely. Here are some technology tips. Digital note-taking. Use apps like OneNote, Notability, and Evernote to organize your math notes, insert equations, and link concepts. Math tools. Utilize apps like Quizlet for flashcards and GeoGebra or Desmos for visualizing math concepts. Avoid distractions. Be mindful of digital distractions. Use apps to block distracting sites, set your phone to do not disturb, and limit notification checks to class breaks. Tip number 5, review regularly. Here are some ways you can regularly review. Weekly review sessions. Set aside time each week to revisit math concepts. Use this time to go through notes, rework exercises, and test yourself on key formulas. Study groups. Discussing and explaining concepts to each other can provide new insights and deeper understanding. Summary sheets. Create concise summary sheets or reference sheets for each major topic, including key formulas, definitions, and concepts. These are great for quick review session. Reflect on learning. After each review session, reflect on what you've learned and identify any unclear areas. Get help for what you're still unclear on. Effective note-taking and active listening are crucial in math class. Practice them to boost your performance and understanding. Grab your notebook, focus on lecture, and use your notes to succeed. You got this.